So that is the 16-inch M3 MacBook Pro in space black. 1 terabyte of storage, 48 gigabytes of memory, the 40 GPU core variant. Yeah, it's here. This is what I'm going to use for music production. I'm going to use it to create templates for you, content creation, editing videos. Is this a computer I need? No, absolutely not. I would probably be fine with, say, an M2 Pro if I wanted to save some money. That would probably be the best sensible choice. Since the M2 Pro, it's not really that far away from the M3 Pro performance-wise, at least when we are talking about the CPU. The GPU in the M3 Pro is a little bit better, but the thing is, Apple actually reduced the performance scores in the M3 Pro compared to the M2 Pro, but the performance is still a little bit better, but I think you can get a good deal on the M2 Pro now, and you wouldn't see that much performance difference actually. So if you want to save some money but you want a really fast Mac, the M2 Pro could be interesting to take a look at. And the entire M3 lineup from Apple now is a little bit confusing. When you go to the configurator and you select memory and you select storage, it changes other things as well. So if you're into this now, you have to watch some more videos, watch some benchmarks to see, and actually also check the price for the laptop you are going to buy or computer to see kind of, if you're very focused on price, you can see the performance to price ratio. Probably some YouTuber is going to make a chart somewhere. I'm not going to do that, but that's a good idea actually. I'm getting this because I'm interested in it, not necessarily because I need it. And as I said, I used this one to edit my videos. I didn't want to edit videos on my PC. This M1 Mac was a lot better for me to edit videos on, so that's one of the reasons. Some people are worried about fingerprints. I can't say I'm that worried about fingerprints. You saw in the beginning of the video I tried to touch it a little bit, and yeah, you can probably see fingerprints on it, but it's not like it's something that stands out that much. The keyboard itself gets more dirty. I don't have dirty hands. I kind of wash them often. Yeah, I don't think that's a huge issue on the space black actually. I don't want this video to be a huge benchmark video, but I did run some benchmarks and it looks like it's where it's supposed to be comparing to other videos I have seen. And I compared it to the M1 MacBook Pro I have here. I could also have compared it to the M1 MacBook Air, but it's my wife's laptop and she really wants to use it. So no results from that. But I have some slides here and you can just pause them and see for yourself. While I was running Cinebench, I recorded a snippet of the fan noise when it was running, because the fans started, obviously. When you are pushing the CPU, it will start to heat up. And you can listen to the type of noise. In my opinion, I think it's a nice fan noise. It's not that whiny. Here is an example on how it sounds. So I have been changing between computers during the years. I've been changing between Macs. I've been changing from PC to Windows while I'm doing this, also working, also making projects, videos, things like that. And when you're doing this, workflow is really important. Doing what I do, changing between especially Windows, PC and Mac, this hurts workflow because you have to reinstall software, you have to deauthorize software. Sometimes I have to send emails to these plugin companies and say, hey, sorry, can you give me a new license? They, of course, they usually do, so that's nice, but it takes a lot of work, takes a lot of time, and when you don't have that much time, it's really not an intelligent thing to do. But then I have this YouTube channel, so some people actually like to see things like that, so that's one reason of doing it. But But now I actually think that my main production PC is going to be the M3 Max MacBook Pro for the foreseeable future. So the thing with having a PC for me is obviously gaming. You are looking at a gamer at heart now, and yeah, someone grew up playing Command & Conquer, Diablo 1, Red Alert, things like that, Quake. And you know, I have always been interested in games, but lately I haven't really gamed that much. Let's say I have probably done 90% work and 10% gaming, but I always wanted to have a PC with good enough GPU so I can game. I'm not necessarily going to game that much on the M3 Max, but I'm going to make some videos about that also as well to see how it works. I did that also on the M2 Max a while ago. It seems like in terms of gaming, I don't think you can kick out your gaming PC yet if you want the real experience, but I think you can actually get by if you have one of the more performing M3 laptops from Apple actually. We are going to take a look at that also later on. But the main thing is obviously going to be music production. I'm going to use mostly Ableton Live and Logic. Setting up real testing in music production software takes a while since, as I said earlier, I have to transfer a lot of plugins and licenses between computers, and it's actually a little hassle to do that, but I'm going to do that and see how it works. So this is not going to be the only video about the M3 Max MacBook Pro. There are going to be others as well where I test other things. If you are interested to see something tested, you can type it down in the comments below. If you want to check out some of the new Macs yourself, there are affiliate links in the description below to Amazon where you can get your own Mac if you want. That's all for today. I will see you in another video. Take care and goodbye.